Lucrative tech careers for those just starting out, part 3. Number 1 is a DevOps engineer. The average salary for a DevOps engineer in the US is $104,095 per year according to Glassdoor. But when additional pay like commissions or profit sharing is taken into account, the total pay value increases to $132,767. To get this job, get a degree in computer science. Earn a certification like this one from IBM, or gain relevant work experience by starting in a related role in IT, system administration, or software development. This industry is expected to grow by 25% by 2032 as companies look to build out and maintain more robust tech stacks. Number 2 is a cloud engineer. The average salary is $109,974 per year according to Glassdoor. And to get this job, develop relevant skills by pursuing a role in IT and seeking out opportunities to work with cloud platforms. Earn a certificate like this one from AWS, or build hands-on experience by taking on more cloud-related tasks at work, or take advantage of the interactive learning experiences from Google, Microsoft, and more on Coursera. The cloud computing industry is projected to grow by 15% by 2031 as the demand grows for more efficient and effective ways to store, manage, and analyze data. And number 3, back-end developer. The average salary is $97,977 per year according to Glassdoor. And to get this job, get a degree in computer science. Build job-ready back-end development skills with a professional certificate like this one from Meta, and build workplace skills like communication, problem solving, and industry knowledge. The industry is projected to grow by 16% by 2032. So drop us a comment if you'd like to learn more and follow along for more career tips.